Hey guys, it's your girl Shalae and I'm back today with another video. In today's video, we're going to be discussing IRS launching its portal for families that typically don't file tax returns, so that way you can get your monthly child tax credits. Now, this includes my SSI, Ssdi, VA recipients, or those just with complicated situations. The goal is to make sure that every American get the relief funding they need as soon as possible, especially with the child tax credit launching next month. In this portal, you can update your direct deposit information, address, and more. But listen up, Buttercup. The portal also assists those who did not fully receive the first and second stimulus payments. So you're going to want to go ahead and take notes, because this year the IRS is not playing. They will not be sending out any prepaid debit cards or anything like that. You must have a bank account on file or you're going to get a paper check. Honey, you already know what to do. Stay tuned. Your girl's got you covered. Now, if this is your first time tuning into my channel, hi, hello, hey friends. My name is Shalae, and here on this channel we discuss shopping, saving, and everything in between. I would love to have you a part of my internet family. Super easy, girl. All you have to do is click that big old red subscribe button down below and you're in, just like that. And while you're at it, go ahead and give me a like. Now, guys, don't forget, I do have a ebook for sale as well, where I teach you how to build your brand and make money fast. All right, let's jump right into it. People who filed a 2019 or 2020 tax return, or if you use the IRS non-filers tool last year to register for your stimulus payments, you do not need to provide additional information via the tool. You are good, boo, okay? Go ahead and give me the like, exit stage left. I appreciate you. But for those who did not receive the full amount of your first or second stimulus payment, or you're not required to file a 2020 tax return, you didn't file one, you don't plan on filing one, but you want the child tax credit, then my darling, I am talking to you. Stay right there. Don't pass go. Don't collect $200. You will need your current mailing address, your email address, date of birth, valid social security number for your dependents, as well as your banking information. If you have all that, let's go ahead and get started. Click the link in the description box or go to irs.gov and click on Use the Non-Filer Sign Up tool, which takes you to Free File. Scroll down and click Get Started. Now you're going to create an account. This is where you enter an email address that you check regularly. I'm entering my dad's old school email, BigDaddyLarry3@AOL.com. Hold on, who remembers those AOL dial-up days? I hope he doesn't use this anymore. Yeah, but we're going to use this for my example. Confirm the email address and create a user ID. So I'm going to use Big Daddy Larry. What's up, Pops, if you're watching this? All right, this is a very important step. The phone number is recommended, especially if you're going to file your status now, because you have to verify your account, and it works if you forget your user ID or, you get locked out. So if you don't want to put your phone number, or you can't receive text messages to your phone, go ahead and uncheck the box. Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and enter the weather line. So do not try to call me, okay? Because this is not my number. All right, girl? All right, then we're going to go ahead and create a password, confirm it, and guess what? Now you have just created your account. Now it's time to fill out our tax information, beginning with the filing status. I'm going to go ahead and select single, but if you are married, or select whichever one applies for you. Now for my first name, I'm going to enter Big, last name Daddy, and the address is going to be 123 Home Alone. Now let's discuss this deduction information. If someone can claim you as a dependent, check that box. Or if your spouse is a dependent, click that box. If not, bypass it and you'll see information regarding the gross income. All right, now listen, Linda, listen. Now it's time for you to enter your dependents. Do not enter information about children born in 2021. There's going to be another method the IRS will provide to help you with this. Enter your children's name and the relationship to you. In order for you to get paid for the child tax credit in July, click the CTC box. Child tax credit. If you're unaware if you qualify, you can click the circle and the qualifying child information appears. Pop-up box will appear and it gives you all the criteria that you need to meet. Your child was under the age of 17 at the end of 2020, and it also gives you a publication as well. All right, so let's go ahead and enter the second child. You can claim your niece, your nephew, your grandchild, your aunt, your stepbrother, and a partridge in a pear tree. Now, if you have more children than lines, girl, what are you doing? Are you the Brady Bunch? Okay, I'm joking, I'm playing. Just check the box and you click add and you can enter the other children. All right, let's go ahead and go back. This section of the form is the recovery rebate credit for those that did not receive a stimulus check or received an incorrect amount of payment. Now, you can see the instructions on how you go about getting the correct amount. If you click here, it opens up to a 1040 and you can read the publication. But who has time for that? If you know what is owed to you, you can go ahead and enter amount right here. Now it's time for you to enter your banking information to the account that you want the money deposited in, and then click continue to step 2. Page 2, enter last year's adjusted gross income or your last year's signature pin. Enter the date, your phone number, driver's license, and all the other information it requires. Before you can submit this form, you must verify your email address. All correspondence will be sent to that email, so make sure it's an email that you can check. And don't forget to save your information. You can print it, you can start over, you can check your filing status, and that's it. You've updated your information. Here's the payout information for your money, honey, because I know you're going to want that info. If your dependents are 18 years old or older, they qualify for a $500 check. Now, dependents between the ages of 19 and 24 may qualify as well if they are enrolled in college full time. If you had a baby in 2021, your newborn will count towards your child tax credit of $3,600. But remember, there's another portal that is coming for that. Also, children who are adopted can qualify if they are U.S. citizens. Hope you found this video very helpful. And if you have any questions regarding the child tax credit, EBT, or just anything in general, always submit those questions to me by Ask Shalae. I do have a link down in the description box, as well as there'll be a pinned comment. Submit your questions and I can answer that for you, as well as go ahead and check out my latest video on my vlog channel where I teach you how to get on television. So for those that wanted to do reality TV or be on the news or even possibly star in a video, if you want to see some of my bloopers from music videos, television, I give you all tips and tricks on how to get on there. So definitely check out that video. And that's all I have. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.